Hi guys, I'm Ali, and in this video I want to talk about how content production. So be with me. First, you need a camera. You can use the camera of a phone or a laptop or computer. Second, you need a microphone, but you can also use a camera microphone. There, you need a right place. You can use any place. You can use home, park, nature, or anywhere you like. Third, you need an editing tool to edit your videos. Finally, you are ready to go in front of the camera and record and share the video. Well, we go to the end of the video. I hope it's useful for you. Goodbye until the next